So ngayong araw ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-factor ng quadratic trinomials in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Or in other words, may leading coefficient na tayo na greater than 1 dito. So, ituturo ko sa inyo yung mas madaling way. Tinatawag natin tong slip and slide method. So, later on, malalaman nyo paano yan. So, suppose we have the first example, 3x squared plus 14x plus 8. So, paano natin hanapin yan? Again, yung sa previous lesson natin na factoring quadratic trinomial, wala tayong, yung coefficient natin dito is 1 or parang wala nakalagay. So, ngayon, greater than 1 na. So, in this example, we have a leading coefficient of 3. So, paano natin gagawin yan? So, iba't iba yung method sa pagsosolve ng, sa pag-factor ng quadratic trinomial nito. Pero ituturo ko sa inyo yung mas madali. So, unang gagawin natin, focus lang tayo dito sa number ng leading na coefficient na x squared natin. So, gagawin ko, ito imumultiply ko siya dun sa last term. So, gawin natin yon. So, mawawala na to. I-rewrite ko lang yung x squared plus 14x. Tapos, yung kanina, imumultiply ko sa last. 3 times 8 is 24. So, ngayon, kung mapapansin nyo, yung trinomial natin, parang yung lesson na lang natin last time, yung leading coefficient na 1. So, babalikan lang natin yung lesson natin doon. Isip tayo ng factors ng 24 na pag in-add natin is makukuha natin yung sa gitnang term. So, gagawin natin, ililista natin, or kung kaya nyo gawin to mentally, pwede, what are the factors of 24? So, 1 times 24, 2 and 12. So, we have 6 and 4, at saka 8 and 3. So, yung pipiliin natin dyan, alin sa mga yan yung pag in-add natin, makukuha natin yung middle term. So, we have, so we have 2 and 12. So, that will be the factor. So, ngayon i-write natin, di ba? We will have 2 binomials. So, we have x plus 2 at saka x plus 12. So, ngayon, dito na papasok yung slip and slide method. Kung maalala ninyo, yung minultiply natin kanina, which is 3, ibabalik natin siya dito sa mga binomials natin. So, mangyayari, x, rewrite ko lang, plus, instead na 2 yan, ilalagay ko sa baba niya yung minultiply natin na 3. Dito naman, so we have x plus 12, lalagay ko din yung 3 dyan. So, now, let us observe, meron pa ba tayong pwedeng i-simplify or i-lowest term dyan? If meron, i-lowest term natin. So, dito, okay na, nakasimplify na. Ito naman, so, pwede pa natin siyang i-divide. X plus, so, 12 divided by 3 is 4 over 1 or 4. Ngayon, i-slide na natin. Dahil fraction pa to, yung denominator niya, i-slide natin doon. So, yung magiging final answer natin is 3x plus 2 and x plus 4. So, ito na yan yung factors ng ating trinomial na may leading coefficient na greater than 1. Let's have our next example. Let us have our example number 2. So, suppose we have 2y squared plus y minus 10. So, let us factor this quadratic trinomial. So, again, let us multiply the leading coefficient of our first term to the last term. So, mawawala na siya dito. So, this will be y squared plus y minus 2 times negative 10 is negative 20. Now, let us think of the factors of 20, factors of negative 20. that when you add them is you will get positive 1. And the factors are, so you recall our lesson previously. So the factors will be positive 5 and negative 4. Let us check. 5 times negative 4, it is negative 20. 5 plus negative 4, the answer is positive 1. Now, we may proceed with the binomials. So, isusulat lang natin yung mga factors. So, this will be y plus 5 and y minus 4. Next. So, balikan natin yung slip and slide method. Balikan natin ano yung minultiply natin kanina. 2. Ilalagay ko lang siya dito sa denominator ng mga numbers sa binomials natin. Then, simplify natin. So, ito naka-lowest term na. Ito pwedeng i-divide. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And lastly, so itong fraction na to, slide natin siya doon. So, magiging 2y plus 5 and y minus 2. So, these are the factors. Now, let's have our last example. Suppose we have 4m squared minus 5m minus 6. So, let us find the factors. Again, multiply the first term to the last term. So, this will be m squared. Mawawala na yung 4. Rewrite ko yung minus 5m. Plus 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. Now, let us think of the factors of negative 24. That when you add them, you will get negative 5. And I can think of, if you can do this mentally, again, much better. If not, you can list all the factors just like what we did on our previous lesson. So, factors of negative 24 is negative 8 and positive 3. Let us check. Negative 8 times positive 3 is negative 24. Negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5. So, therefore, we will use negative 8 and 3 as our factor. So, this will be m minus 8 and we have m plus 3. Now, let us go back to our previous example. So, we have over 4 and over 4. Ilalagay lang natin yung minultiply natin kanina dito, ilalagay natin siya dito. Now, let us simplify. So, this will be 8 divided by 4 is 2. Ito, slide na natin. So, itong 4, mapupunta siya dun sa unahan. So, this will be 4m plus 3. And that's it. That will be our factors for this trinomial.